Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python and JavaScript. Begin by choosing either Python or JavaScript to start your journey. Dive into online tutorials that offer hands-on coding exercises. As you learn new concepts, immediately apply them by building small, practical projects. This active approach solidifies your understanding and builds confidence quickly. Consistency is key to mastering the fundamentals. For Python, concentrate on its fundamental building blocks. Master variables, conditional statements, and loops to control program flow. Practice extensively with Python's versatile data structures, including lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Once comfortable, explore powerful libraries like NumPy for numerical operations and Pandas for data analysis. These tools are essential for many real-world Python applications. When learning JavaScript, focus on its core syntax, including variables, data types, and control flow statements. A crucial step is understanding document object model, or DOM, manipulation to make web pages interactive. Practice handling events and updating content dynamically. Then, delve into asynchronous JavaScript using promises and async/await to manage API calls and other non-blocking operations effectively. To truly master these languages, engage in continuous learning. Contribute to open-source projects to gain invaluable real-world experience and collaborate with other developers. Explore advanced topics like web frameworks, such as React or Django, and delve into testing methodologies. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This ongoing practice and exploration will keep your skills sharp and relevant in the ever-evolving tech landscape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.